This assignment can only be completed with snow and is usually used for a snow day. Depending on snow depth will determine which of the two assignments should be completed. As the directions indicate here, 5 to 8 inches, and then over 8 will require 2 separate tasks. At the end, students will have an understanding about a slurry wall and the original construction of the trade center. So the first thing you're going to do is create with cardboard. This particular box here, you can utilize tape on the edges. And this is going to be used to mimic the slurry wall. The directions, when you have snow, we have here the snow, you're going to place this cardboard into this area. From this point, you then want to dig out this snow, because this is precisely the way the slurry wall was built for the original trade center. The Port Authority built a slurry wall underground, then dug out all of the dirt and created a landfill. Then the trade center towers were built 70 feet below street level. You're going to then place 2 structures. Here I use soda bottles or soda can cardboard to mimic the 2 trade center towers. If you have more than 8 inches, you could disregard the cardboard and you can use 5 shoe lengths going this way, 4 shoe lengths going this way, and then you just dig it out. This would be the street level. This would be the 70-foot drop. And then once again, use 2 structures for the 2 trade center towers. When you're looking at this image here, you see Trade Center 1 and 2. The Marriott Hotel Trade Center 3 is yet to be built, but 70 feet below the street level, that dirt was dug out, placed in this particular landfill. Looking at this image, you can see the street level here, the drop, and then all of the construction equipment being used before the trade center's buildings are placed in the center. In this image, we see the slurry wall. And keep in mind, this entire wall was built before all of this dirt was excavated. And then the trade center towers were built. How did they go about doing that? Here's the street level. They dug out using these. They dug out a portion of the earth, and then they placed these metal rebar cages. So what they did here is they would dig out this little section, then insert this wall into there. And as they did that, they poured a slurry mixture at the same time as that crate was being placed into the hole. As this crate went into the earth, that slurry liquid came out, and then they poured concrete. And then they would wait for that concrete to harden. Then they would repeat this process. And that's how they built the slurry wall. When you're looking at this image, that slurry wall, that's what they're trying to show you here, that entire wall. When we look at these 2 images, we see trade centers, buildings, street level, which is right here, and then that 70-foot drop. And here you see that slurry wall, which is the point of using the cardboard. If you were able to make it to the Trade Center Memorial, there's actually a section where you can see the slurry wall intact. In this image, we see the aftermath of 9/11. Looking at this image here, these two are here, which would mean New Jersey is over here. Can't really see this image. This would have to be the South Tower here. I mean the North Tower. And then the South Tower would have been in this direction here. This image is in a different direction than this one. If you wanted to learn more, feel free to click the link. Port Authority builds the Trade Center. And you want to have an understanding of these terms. But for this assignment, all you're going to do is try to recreate, take a selfie, and upload. And that's it.